I genuinely didn't expect this to work. But after testing it myself, I was able to access Claude Opus 4.8, Gemini model, ChatGPT, Minimax, GLM, and several other top AI models completely free. The best part, almost nobody is talking about it. Then if you want to use, let's get started. First go to your favorite browser and search for Gumloop. Official website will be reflected at the top. Gumloop AI automation framework. Open it, get started, create your account. I'm going to use Google to create my account. You can continue with Microsoft as well. Now my account is on the way to ready. I'll close it. You also need to create your profile, provide your first name and last name if you want to change your profile, but I am continue with this profile. How did you hear about Gumloop? From the YouTube video, Google search, choose anyone. Doesn't matter. What best describe your role? I am the engineer. If you want, select all of them. Then connect app. If you want, you can connect your Slack, Gmail, Google Sheet. Continue without connecting it. Skip from here. Again skip. And now I am ready to use it. Before use, first set up the environment for it. Which model do you want to use? This is the smartest. Claude Opus 4.8 will be available here. I'm going to select it, and if you want, you can also add your app. You can also set skill or enable any skill that you have already added. But for now, I will leave as it is. Only change the model and save it. I'm going to use Claude Opus 4.8 and I'll give the simple tax here. 5.7k credit will be available here and it will be reset time to time. If you want to use, you can create 2-3 account and you can easily use it. For your basic tasks, it will be sufficient for you. If you want a big project, then it will be not sufficient. Then you can switch to the AI agent like OpenCode, where you can get many model for free. I will give simple tasks here. Can you build the one portfolio website for my YouTube channel? AI for you. Let's see how much time it will takes to build this website and how much token it will takes, and at the same time we can see its performance. Okay. Here you can see the detail about it. Source web created 1 minute ago. Model will be Claude Opus 4.8. It will takes nearly 188 credit until now and it will still working on it. Now it will be completed. I think it will create awesome. Wow, I like it. I'll open it in the new tab. Okay, this is the actual website. Okay, there will be the animation. Subscribe button will be here. Video. Yeah, this is the dummy video. This is topics. I like it. Within a simple prompt, it will create one awesome website. This will be the good things. I just provide one simple prompt. Create the one website, portfolio website for my YouTube channel without detailed instruction. It will design this type of awesome website. From here you can copy this code, you can make it full screen, you can share, you can download, and you can do many more things here. Okay, I'll close it from here. Only the 274 token will be required to build this entire website. Here will be the many content. Navigation is properly working, then it will show the link. From here you can also open the video as well, but this is not actual link, but you can go on somewhere. It will automatically call the tools that will be required. Here you can see 10 tool call and 6 message. Here in the skill section, by the use of this website, you can build any skill and edit here. If you need some tasks repeatedly, then you can use this skill in your other tasks as well. By this way, you can use Claude Opus and some other popular model just like Quine, ZAI, Minimax, DeepSeek, Anthropic, GLM. You can use any model that you want. But smartest model, Claude Opus 4.8, will be also available here. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. If you feel this content will be helpful for you, or if you want this type of free AI tools in upcoming day, you may consider subscribe as well. Okay, happy coding.